In this we will study chemical reactions. Why chemical reactions of alcohol and phenol. First we will see that why alcohol is considered to be very important compound, as because it is versatile in nature. Its versatile nature depends upon two main property, as it behaves as a nucleophile as well as electrophile. When the alcohol behaves as a nucleophile, at that time we have to see that there is a breaking of bond between oxygen and hydrogen. Hydrogen and oxygen bond breaks. Then alcohol acts as a nucleophile. Now in this you will study this alcohol reacts with a compound which is a carbocation. Carbocation, it reacts and it gives its one pair of electron to this carbon, and then it attaches to it. This compound is formed having a carbon compound, in which that you can also call it as carbocation, in which alcohol has been attached. But in this compound is very unstable. So in order to make it stable, this bond between oxygen and hydrogen breaks and releases this hydrogen and forming the final compound. In this way, alcohol behaves as a nucleophile. But when alcohol behaves as an electrophile, in this you have to keep it in mind that there is always the breaking of bond between carbon and hydrogen. When carbon and hydrogen breaks, it leads to the electrophilic substitution reaction. Now, how the electrophile alcohol behave as an electrophile, that is also one important part. Alcohol itself will not behave as an electrophile, but protonated alcohol. That means first the alcohol will react with one proton, and one protonated alcohol has been formed. This protonated alcohol having an extra hydrogen attached to it. This stage is responsible for its electrophilic behavior. Now here what happens, as you know that this compound protonated alcohol is highly unstable compound. So the bond between this carbon and oxygen here, it breaks. This bond breaks, water has been released and one carbocation has been formed. This carbocation is now free to react with a nucleophile and final product can be obtained. Now the next topic we will see that the reactions that involves the cleavage of OH bond. When there is a cleavage of OH bond, it is very clear that when the bond breaks from between oxygen and hydrogen, that is hydrogen is released. That shows the acidity or acidic nature of alcohol and phenol. How it is possible? Phenol, when reacts with sodium or sodium hydroxide, both the reactions can, with both these substances, the reaction can take place, but in a separate. When it reacts with sodium or sodium hydroxide, the one product will be formed as sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide is formed and hydrogen is released. This release of hydrogen indicates that yes, phenol is acidic in nature. But when it reacts with sodium hydroxide, sodium phenoxide is formed. Along with that, water is also released. This is the only difference between the two. Here alcohol, when reacts with sodium, it again forms sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide is formed with the release of this hydrogen. Removal of this hydrogen again indicates that alcohol is acidic in nature. Now next topic of discussion is how to find the relation between 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. Which is more acidic? That is acidity of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. Now in order to find out the reason behind it, we will see there are 2 points that is taking part. First, it is due to polarity, that is the polar nature between the oxygen and hydrogen, and second, due to the inductive effect. Polarity means oxygen is having more electronegative behavior. It withdraws the electron towards itself and makes this bond weaker. And as it makes the bond weak, the breaking of this bond between oxygen and hydrogen increases and easily this hydrogen gets removed. And second is the inductive effect. Inductive effect is the addition of alkyl group to this alcohol. Now you can see in primary alcohol there is only one alkyl group attached to it. As you know children, that alkyl group is electron donating group. So when it donates electron to oxygen, oxygen having its own electron and more electron it receives from the alkyl group. as the primary alcohol, still its electronegativity of oxygen is still there, having the tendency to withdraw electrons. So it releases its hydrogen from first 1 degree more easily. Second degree, 2 alkyl group is attached, and in 3 degree, 3 alkyl group is attached. All these alkyl group is giving their electron to this carbon, and finally this carbon is giving electron to this oxygen. Same case you can see here also. So electron density on this oxygen increases. When electron density increases, then the attraction or the polarity or the pull of electron towards itself decreases, as now oxygen is no more in need of electron so to get withdraw from the hydrogen. So this breaking of bond tendency decreases, and so thus the acidic power or acidic nature of tertiary alcohol is very less. So we can finally say that primary is more acidic than secondary, and secondary is more acidic than tertiary.